What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Southern Maryland Squarebodies, or SOMD Squarebodies for short. My name's Cody. We're gonna be focusing on 73 to 87 Chevy pickups, Blazers, Suburbans, the well-known Squarebody pickup that everybody knows and loves. Going to be showcasing some of my processes on a couple trucks that I have that I'm putting together. I have this 87 K5 behind me. I've done the tailgate supports, the tail pans, some of the rear cargo area, passenger side, front floor pans, rocker panels. Through doing that work, I've gotten convinced to do this YouTube deal. So we're going to give it a shot and see how it plays out. I still have the driver's side, front and rear floor sections, rocker panel to do, got interior to put back in it. I'm going to make a headliner for it, polishing the paint, do the dash pad, that kind of stuff. So got plenty to do on this thing, plenty of content to be made on the old K5. I have a 1980 C10 around back here. It's a long bed truck, 305 turbo 350. Awesome patina on that thing. Guy actually came here to buy a truck off of me and said he had it for sale, and said give him $500, you can take it. So I followed him home, turned the key, and drove 45 miles back to the house. That's been a fun truck to just cruise around in, have fun, going to shows, a little bit of this and that, cars and coffee and such. That one's going to get the short bed treatment. I'll probably end up doing the Brothers kit on that. Like I said, it's got good patina, so I think I'm going to cut the bed sides down on that so I can preserve some of that original look. It'll probably get a AMD short bed floor with the wider wheel tubs. That's a awesome product that AMD offers. But besides that, do front floor pans in it. Of course, they got some holes, but other than that, the truck's going to stay an old raggedy patina looking thing. Going to lower it a little bit. It's got bud nicks on it already, so that's a plus. The wheels are worth more than what I paid for the truck. But yeah, so I don't really have restoration money. I'd love to do a top to bottom frame off restoration on a Squarebody one day, but God only knows when that day will be. So for now, I'm just going to keep doing it my way. And my approach is just have fun, low stress, low pressure. I'm not doing a SEMA build. I just put things together and tinker with them for the love of it, to have fun, be proud of what I've done, trying to keep one of these old things alive, and just have stuff to do, basically. My kids, they love the old trucks. They're interested in them, which means a lot to me. So, I want to have them to have the trucks to give to them one day. Try to keep them alive as long as we're allowed to. They're not making them anymore, and in a lot of ways, they're better than the new stuff out here on the road these days. They definitely look better. That's for sure. But yeah, so I'm just here to show you some of my processes, my way of thinking on some things. Hopefully I can learn some stuff from y'all in the comments. If y'all can learn some pointers from me, that would be awesome. But I'm just here to have fun and have fun with y'all. So thank you for joining me here. I hope y'all enjoy it, and let's see what's around the corner.